Hey guys, I'm Shashir from Elbatec again with another video here. So in this video, let's see how to shorten any long URL. So let's get started. You can shorten any URL, but for the test case, now I'll go to the Google and type something to get some big URL. As you can see, the search URL is really big. Let's try to shorten this down. First go to bit.ly.com. This is an URL shortening website. Come down here and copy and paste the long URL in this text box and click on shorten. As you can see, you got a short URL for the corresponding long URL. Now let's copy this and check it in a new tab. As you can see, the short URL loaded successfully for the big URL. This is how bit.ly shortening URL works. You can also have custom short URLs. For that you have to sign up first and try shortening the URLs. You'll also get some additional features if you are a premium user. They are also partnered with big companies such as Disney, Amazon, etc. So hence this is a verified and secure website. So like this you can shorten your big URLs very easily. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please go thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe to ElbaTech. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.